In this video, I'm going to show you how to export from Figma to Framer. Now, this literally could not be easier. The first thing you want to do, you want to go to Figma and then you want to go inside your design. And for example, let's say this basic design over here is what I actually want to export from Figma into Framer over here. So to do this, go to Figma, go to your design, go to the share button up top right, and make sure you're not on prototype. So if you want to export prototype, of course, you can do that too. I have a separate video on how to do this, but if you want to just go ahead and do the design, go to design, click on share top right, and then here you want to go and click on copy embed code down here at the bottom, and then you want to click on copy again. Now what you want to do here is you want to go back to Framer, and in here you have two options. You could either go ahead and go to insert up top and then go to down here where it says utility, and then you could drag in a embed block here, and you could go ahead, double click it, and you could go to HTML here on the right, and you could just paste in your code like this, and when you click out, it's going to start loading, and it's going to basically load in your Figma design. Okay, that's the first way. However, the second one is, which gives you a bit more convenience as well. You can just click anywhere over here inside an empty space and just press Ctrl and V to actually paste, and it's going to paste that copied code in there. Just make sure your copied code is currently on clipboard. Okay, now whenever you do that, as you can see, it's going to pop in, and over here, like you can see, I can now move this around, and I've successfully kind of exported my design from Figma to Framer. I can go over here to the preview mode, and when this basically loads, you'll be able to see that it's visible over here, and you can go ahead and basically see anything you've exported from Figma into Framer over here inside the preview mode, and then whenever you publish as well. So just any second here, there we go, we can move this around, and that's how we can basically do it. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.